Learn how to not pay for any HVAC repairs for the next 10 years. Hi, my name is Texas Tammy and I'm a realtor here in the North Texas area, and we have owner Brett Jensen with Summer Breeze and Air. Brett, tell us, what's the trick?
Well, all you have to do is get a complete install. So if you're already needing a new system, this might be a great option for you. Basically, it's already included in our regular install price. There's no added charge. The only way to keep this 10-year part and labor warranty to avoid paying for any repairs is to keep getting maintenance every single year, which is $150 per year, 2 visits. Definitely recommended regardless, but it'll help out and won't make it cost any money for the next decade.
That's awesome. And a lot of times people tend to forget that maintenance is actually, if you just continue to do those small things every other month or quarterly, that will help you in the long run, because that's going to save a homeowner
Definitely
thousands of dollars.
Definitely.
So that is awesome. Thank you so much, Brett.
Thank you.